I'm Katie Tsang.
And I'm Kevin Tsang.
And we are the authors of the
Dragon Realm series.
And we're so excited to have a World Book Day book out called A Dragon Realm Adventure. But right now, we want to tell you about some books that we loved when we were kids.
So my favorite story growing up actually was a series called Goosebumps by R.L. Stine. And I love them because they were spooky. And it was my first real story actually that was so spooky, and I absolutely loved it.
And what's great about a series is if you like one book, then you can read another and another and another. I really loved a book called A Wrinkle in Time by Madeleine L'Engle. I loved this book first when my parents read it out loud to me. And then when I was a little bit older and able to read independently, I read it on my own and I still loved it. It's an epic, exciting adventure about a girl who has to save her brother and her dad, and they go to all different places in the universe. I think it's really influenced and inspired my own writing as an adult, as well as the things I love to read. So we hope that you love reading and have a very happy World Book Day.